welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'm Maru, lifestyle blogger and content creator, and here on the channel we share all things home decor, beauty, fashion, and so much more. Heavy on the home decor, especially this time of year because it's the fall season. I know I said we share. Y'all are part of the family. I'm not sharing. We're sharing, okay? Comment down below if you are in the process of decorating or preparing to decorate for the holiday season. It's such a fun time and I'm so happy to have you here. So in today's video, we're going to be doing the living room, the last of my downstairs spaces for fall. And I am going to be honest with y'all, I did not know what I wanted to do because the room is very modern, lots of like ethnic tribal accents, geometric type stuff, like that sphere you just saw there. The artwork, everything is black, white, gray, hints of like some like browns, and I just wasn't sure what I wanted to do. But needless to say, I'm keeping it kind of basic, but not basic, because ain't nothing basic about me, honey, okay? For fall, I'm looking at spicing up the space, but I'm going to decorate with tones and hues and removing anything that is bold and, you know, very geometric and very abstract, except for the artwork. So the goal is to style with colors and textures, and anything that has prints, bold, abstract prints, I'm going to be removing them. Wanting to keep the same hues of cream, white, black, the gray accent wall, and a pop of brown. And of course, like I said, back in the day in my DC apartment, I like to pick one of two metallics to use, and I'm gonna go to gold girl. So we're gonna have pops of gold metallics throughout the space. All right, I'm rambling. Y'all, let's go ahead and get started. Limited talking, lots of music, and lots to do, honey. All right, let's go. I was so excited to cover these pillows. When I took the black covers off and saw that I had yellow pillows, I thought I could have styled my living room with these pillows. But then no, too much autumn, too much fall. But y'all, I had no idea that these yellow pillows were down here. I was looking for these. Anyway, let's go ahead and cover them with the new brown covers. And I will say this, we will not be steaming anything. Y'all saw I got traumatized with the curtains. The wrinkles will be as is. And as my grandmother says, the wrinkles will fall out. was a little bit hesitant, but the pillow covers for the sofa did not arrive and they will not be here until November. Hopefully, with Amazon, that means they're coming sooner. But for now, we're going to improvise and use a couple things from last year to invoke and add the color and tone that we're going for this year. And now for the final reveal. And now for my new favorite fall cocktail. So I really don't have a recipe for this, but I decided to combine Bailey salted caramel liqueur with pumpkin vanilla syrup. I'm filling up the cup of ice with 3 parts Bailey cream and 1 to 2 parts of the pumpkin syrup. Shake, shake, shake. Pour. And one of my favorite coupe glasses from CB2. I'll link it down below. Top it with whipped cream. Add a cinnamon stick. Sprinkle some brown sugar. And voila. So good, y'all. Oh my gosh.